Black rice, also known as forbidden rice or purple rice, is a type of rice that is highly regarded for its health benefits. Here are some of the potential health benefits associated with black rice. Rich in antioxidants. Black rice is packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are responsible for its deep purple color. Antioxidants help protect the body against free radicals, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. High in fiber. Black rice is an excellent source of dietary fiber. A single serving can provide a significant amount of your daily fiber needs. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, preventing constipation, and regulating blood sugar levels. Supports heart health. The antioxidants found in black rice, along with its fiber content, can help lower the risk of heart disease. It may reduce cholesterol levels and decrease inflammation, both of which are significant factors in heart health. May aid in weight management. The high fiber content in black rice can promote a feeling of fullness, which may help with weight management. Additionally, the complex carbohydrates in black rice provide sustained energy and can help prevent overeating. Contains beneficial nutrients. Black rice contains several essential nutrients, including iron, vitamin E, and zinc. These nutrients are important for maintaining overall health, supporting the immune system, and promoting healthy skin. Potential anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies suggest that the anthocyanins and other compounds in black rice have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with various diseases, so consuming foods with anti-inflammatory properties can be beneficial. May have anti-cancer effects. Black rice contains compounds that have shown potential anti-cancer properties in studies. The antioxidants and phytochemicals present in black rice may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells and reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. As with any food, black rice should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle.